Now we'll look at documenting your code using a feature called docstrings. We saw previously how it was possible to ask at the REPL for help on Python functions. Let's look at how to add this self-documenting capability to our own module. API documentation in Python uses a facility called docstrings. Docstrings are literal strings which occur as the first statement within a named block, such as a function or module. Let's document the fetchWords function. We use triple quoted strings even for single line docstrings because they can easily be expanded to add more detail later. One Python convention for docstrings is documented in PEP 257, although it's not widely adopted. Various tools such as Sphinx are available to build HTML documentation from Python docstrings, and each tool mandates its preferred docstring format. Our preference is to use the form presented in Google's Python style guide, since it is amenable to being machine parsed while still remaining readable at the console to humans. Now we've added the docstring, we can access it through help from the REPL. We'll go ahead and add similar docstrings for our other functions, print items, and main. Each docstring begins with a short description of the purpose of the function, followed by, as necessary, a list of the arguments to the function and the return value. Then we'll add one for the module itself. Module docstring should be placed at the beginning of the module before any statements. Now when we request help on the module as a whole, we get quite a lot of useful information.